Greetings everyone and welcome to the Crypt. It's hot outside. Where today we're taking a look at the Popup Parade, Lotte, Sucy, and Akko from Little Witch Academia. Yes! Little Witch Academia, fantastic little anime. Academia tells the story of a young girl named Akko as she travels to the Luna Nova Magical Academy to study magic. That's right, we got some Harry Potter bullshit going on. The boy who lived. Turns out Akko is a muggle.
Dad loves muggles. He thinks they're fascinating. Rubber duck.
She's a clumsy ditzy girl.
Yay!
Who gets made fun of by Diane, that bitch. She wants to learn magic to be like her idol, Shiny Chariot. While at the school, she makes two new friends, Sucy and Lotte. Sucy being best girl, of course.
Hey, Mr. Bull. Open wide. Drink up.
Basically, the show is about Akko's struggles with trying to be the bad witch that she is. Trying to live up to the Shiny Chariot legend. The anime is a Trigger product. That would explain this bomb-ass art style. The anime was originally a one-off in 2013. Part of the Young Animator Training Project. They also had a sequel on Kickstarter. It was later picked up into a series. A fantastic 13 episode series. I showed it to my wife during COVID actually. And we put puzzles together and we watched Little Witch Academia. And watched the world burn outside. But the anime is fantastic and the characters are fantastic. That's why I had to have these three from Popup Parade. Popup Parade, again, man. What can I say? You can't beat these prices for these fantastic figures. I honestly hope it'll be my daughter's first anime. You know, outside of Evangelion and DBZ. Every young child should watch Evangelion. Anyway, duck. It looks like we got three fantastic figures to open up, so let's get them open.
Behind you! Behind you!
And here we have the girls out of their packaging, and bro, aren't they cute? Please kill me. No, these are some cute ass statues, man. Popup Parade just coming through in the clutch yet again. I've never been disappointed by the Popup Parade line. Are the statues perfect? No, I got a little nitpicks here and there.
We could have a picnic.
Picnics. Like I said, Little Witch Academia is a fantastic anime. Wholesome, sweet, cute, funny, and artistically beautiful. I love the Trigger Studios anime style. I always have.
Dipshit.
So, the creative styling behind the figures is absolutely fantastic. There was no way I wasn't going to love these statues. Let's take a deeper dive into each statue. Lotte. And here we have the Finland native Lotte. That's right, she's from Finland. Rest in peace, Alexi. Lotte is the shy, calm witch of the group. She is the brainier of the bunch as well. Lotte's specialty is communication magic. Talking to old spirits and fairies. Sick as hell. Am I gushing over a children's anime? You're goddamn right I am. F***ing show rules. Lotte comes with a Nimbus 2000. She comes with a sick ass broom. The handle of the broom and the end come in two separate pieces. Simply slide it through her hand, put the cap on it, you're done. Like I said, broom is posable however you would like it. Got the big ribbons on it. Do I have this upside down?
Duck.
Okay, this is how the figure is supposed to be displayed. I'm sorry, I thought you put the heaviest end of the broom at the bottom. Or is that the heaviest part of the broom? What do the official images say? Alright, I'm a stupid jackass idiot. Dipshit. So, the figure looks great. Got the purple and the pink. Some sick ass boots. Dress looks great. Got the pink on the inside of the sleeves. Gucci belt buckle.
Gucci who?
Her wand here on her hip. This upside down broom looks great too. Her glasses are her eyes. Lord girl, what is going on there? Freckles. And the witch hat. I would say Lotte is my least favorite of the three, but that would be bullshit because she's absolutely fantastic. Quick little Trigger comparison. Here is Lotte up next to the Popup Parade's Kill la Kill Ryuko. And for shishes and gigs, the Popup Parade Bernadetta.
Precious cinnamon roll. Oh my god, so relatable.
I don't know, I thought they looked good together, but I don't think they do. And here we have Lotte. Up next to our last review, the Figuart Zero Pallor.
Mortals behold!
Our main protagonist, Akko.
Yay!
Akko is also rocking the pink and purple motif. I love the pose, love the painting and the sculpting. I think her face is a little Bucky's looking.
I tell you what.
Knee-high boots, the Gucci belt.
Gucci.
Her wand. Akko was the only one with her wand fully extended.
That's a joke, boy. You missed it. Went right past you.
Looks like she's spending 14 hours cooking a brisket instead of casting a magic spell.
Brisket.
The face looks great. I don't know what it is about her cheeks though. Just, bro, she's kind of Bucky's looking.
That's a joke.
Bro, if y'all ain't never been to a Bucky's, it's got like 80 gas pumps. Redneck ramblings aside. We got this sick-ass witch hat. Yeah. I think she looks fantastic. Here we have Akko, up next to Ryuko. Both Trigger main girls. Think they look great together. And here we have Akko, up next to the Popup Parade, Edelgard.
Lady Edelgard. Edelgard.
Just a quick reminder for all of y'all.
Edelgard.
Akko next to our last review, Power. And here we have best girl, Sucy. Bro, she rules.
Are we going shopping or not?
Sucy is the cynical, usually emotionless, lethargic best girl.
おじさん吸い込んだかも。Sushi.
Sucy's bread and butter is alchemy and potions. The girl loves mushrooms. I love that the bottom of her feet look like, Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. The statue looks great. Got the big ass mushroom and Sucy herself. Love the Fluttershy vibe we got going on. I don't know nothing about that show.
Yay.
Love her hair color, and I love that big ass witch hat. Yay. Gucci belt.
Gucci.
Shout out to Popup Parade again for this fantastic sculpt and paintwork. And here we have Sucy up next to Ryuko. Sticking with this stupid ass three houses comparison I decided to go with. Sucy next to Lysithia. Sucy next to our last review, Power. And here we have the girls all back together, and bro, I think these are fantastic pieces. Popup Parade knocks it out of the park again with fantastic sculpt and fantastic paint. And just a fantastic IP that I love and hope that my daughter shares the love as well. Little Witch Academia is a nice wholesome anime that you can turn on for your niece or nephew, son or daughter, and sit down and enjoy it yourself. What do we think, man? Are these the fantastic figures I think they are? Do you even give a shit about Little Witch Academia? I know this is definitely a different venture from my usual audience. Little Witch Academia is a good thing, and I like good things. I give the Popup Parade, Lotte, Sucy, and Akko the rating of... Thank you all for watching. Let's get the hell out of here.